Tesla has submitted paperwork in Texas for a second major manufacturing project in the same week it secured its chip fabrication site. This new effort is a $10.1 billion solar cell plant planned for Fort Bend County. The filing was submitted on July 22 under the state's Jobs, Energy, Technology, and Innovation Act. It first became public through Sawyer Merritt on X. The internal project name is Project Crystal Sun, and the targeted location sits near FM 762 and FM 1994, close to Richmond, roughly 40 minutes from Houston. Tesla intends to construct a $10.1 billion vertically integrated solar cell manufacturing facility in Fort Bend County, Texas. The public application filing provides the details. The application prepared by Crawl Tax Services on Tesla's behalf covers 5 parcels that total about 3,000 acres inside the Lamar Consolidated Independent School District. Tesla is seeking a 10-year property tax limitation in return for the investment. The planned spending breaks down into $1.5 billion for real property and $8.6 billion for equipment and personal property. The company expects 9,712 permanent jobs once the plant reaches full capacity. Peak construction employment is projected at 1,147 jobs during the build period that runs from this year through 2028. Commercial operations are targeted for the first quarter of 2029. Tesla has not yet fully committed to Fort Bend County. The filing notes that the company is comparing the site with an unnamed out-of-state alternative. The tax incentive is presented as the factor that would keep the project in Texas. If the district and county do not approve the abatement, Tesla indicates it may choose the other location. The facility would manage the entire solar cell production process under one roof. That includes wafer and ingot manufacturing, coating, metallization, and printing lines, cell testing, automated material handling, and cleanroom systems. This level of integration shows Tesla moving to bring a larger share of its solar supply chain under its own control. The company currently relies heavily on overseas partners for these components. The approach mirrors the strategy already underway with Megapack production in Brookshire, Texas, where Tesla has expanded its grid battery manufacturing. The timing aligns closely with another major Texas commitment announced this month. SpaceX confirmed that its Terafab chip factory will be built in Grimes County. Construction on that $16.8 billion project began shortly after local officials met with residents. Terafab is designed to produce the AI chips that power Tesla's Optimus robots and full self-driving systems. A solar cell plant would support a different side of the business, the solar panels and energy storage systems Tesla provides to homes, businesses, and utilities. It would also help supply power for the company's growing data center needs. Elon Musk has previously discussed the importance of building domestic solar manufacturing capacity, linking it directly to the large amounts of energy that Tesla's AI plans will require. My take: Project Crystal Sun is another clear signal that Tesla is serious about controlling more of its critical supply chain inside the United States. Pairing a massive solar cell factory with the Terafab chip project shows coordinated long-term planning between Tesla and SpaceX. Elon continues to push for vertical integration at a scale few other companies attempt. I fully support Tesla, SpaceX, and the vision that keeps expanding American manufacturing and energy independence. This is the kind of ambition that moves entire industries forward.